Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install the latest version of Capcut on both iPhone or Android. Absolutely free whether you're new to video editing or looking for pro features. This tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. So for iPhone users or Android users, you can just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and you're gonna type Capcut and you're gonna download Capcut or update it to the latest version. Once you open it up, you're gonna see the interface, of course, and you're gonna be able to start a new project by clicking right here, new project at the top, right? And you're gonna be able to see the videos or photos that you want to add or edit, right? And basically, if you want to get to know more about the CapCut Pro features, you have the free Pro version. The basic CapCut app offers many Pro features, right? Including advanced right here editing tools like the audio, the sound effects if you want to add a sound effects, or if you want to extract audio or record the audio record an audio inside the video, you can do that, or you can click the sounds right here at the bottom to add your own music for your videos, right? You can also go back and see right here the edit, right? You can split or add animation, right, to make your video look a little bit flashy, and effects, of course, if you want your video to look different, right? You can also see the body effect or style, which is AI feature, right? And you can see right here many other features, including filters. You have also effects, overlay if you want to add picture to support your video, captions if you want to add subtitles, aspect ratio right here if you want to edit your video for social media, and the filters, of course, if you want to add a filter, a unique filter for your video to make your video look more clean or more more eye-gazing. That's it. Now you have CapCut installed and ready to use on your iPhone or Android device. Start creating amazing videos with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite CapCut feature in the comments. See you in the next one.